Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I am here to share with you a haul and some stuff that I got from Craftstash. Now, I wasn't really too familiar with Craftstash until I started to watch Sandy's videos, who is Decorate Your Life, here on YouTube. And she is the designer for them, and that is pretty much how I got introduced to Craftstash. Now, I am going to be creating a project for them next month, so just so you know, something is coming up next month, and I can't give out too much details, but just know that is something pretty awesome with a group of pretty awesome crafters. All right, so this is the stuff that I chose to work with, and I am super excited, you guys. Oh my gosh, everything looks so pretty, and the paper is gorgeous. All right, so I chose this Card Making Magic by Christina Griffiths, and this one is called Robin Filigree Frame, and it comes with 12 pieces. Everything you see in here comes in it. Now, I never read the description of stuff. I am horrible at reading the description. If I like it, if I like the design, I just normally just buy it. I did take a peek at it earlier. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's huge. It's really big, you guys. So this is a lot better than I thought. So let's see. The biggest piece measures, oh my gosh, almost 6 inches. It's about 5 7/8, the largest piece. And that's a really nice size. So this can fill up your whole entire 6x6 card. And then you can see the other pieces in there. You can see the swirl. Is that a fence? I think it's a fence. Yeah, there's a fence, the bird, the corner pieces, and even some filigree in there. But I was mostly excited about, obviously, the circle piece right here. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. I love it. I love it when it's something bigger. Okay, because I do have, you know, smaller dies are pretty more easier to get. All right, so here is another one. Now this is a border. I chose this one because I really like the size and the shape of it. And this one is called, this is part of the Christina collection. And this one, let me go ahead and open it up and show you what that one looks like. That one, I also opened it up. It is just one die. And here it is. Look at all that detail. This would be really awesome, like to add it to the edge of a card, the edges of the pages of a mini album. Here is another die. This die is by Crafter's Companion. And this one I chose because I wanted to attempt to make some foam flowers. And that's what I got it for. Now, it's December, you guys. I don't know when you're going to watch this video. But it just so happened that this flower is called Christmas Rose. And I actually didn't know about this until I watched one of those Hallmark movies. And they mentioned a Christmas rose. Didn't think it was a coincidence or anything, I'm just saying. But let me go ahead and open this up and show you what the flowers look like to see what the size looks like. And here they are. Okay, they're a really good size, you guys. This one is really big, but of course when you're using the foam, it kind of like shrinks it a little, I think, you know, because it gets curled. It'll get like curly kind of. So, you know, something like this. So I think that's a really good size. And to go with all of this, to make these flowers, I also got the foam, which I had no idea that Sizzix, I'm just trying to put this back in. I had no idea that Sizzix actually makes some foam, because I was looking for the Crafter's Companion, but I believe that right now, when I went to go check it out, Craftstash was out of it. But there is a Sizzix one, and I haven't seen anyone make flowers with this one. And I thought this was perfect because the colors are perfect to go with the paper collection that I chose. Because I already knew the minute I saw this paper collection, I was like, okay, that's the paper collection I want to work with. So it comes with all of these colors, and let's see, and it comes in a roll. Oh wow, look at that. Let's see if it says, okay, it says it has 5 sheets and they measure 12 by 24. Okay, so it's a really good size. Oh, and it is thin. It's really thin foam. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you get the green, 2 shades of pink, this like creamy color, and then the white. So I'm going to put that back in the box because I don't want it to get dirty. And then the paper, you guys. Oh my goodness. I had never heard of these 2 items. I don't know if they're exclusive to the store, but I did see that they carry plenty of card making sets like this. They have them by collections, and then they also have this other brand called the Paper Boutique, and they, oh my gosh, you guys, they have so many beautiful collections that it was hard, honestly, it was hard for me to choose one, and I chose this one because since as of right now I'm not quite sure what project I want to make. I do have about 3 in mind, but so I chose this because I thought it would be just easy for me to just incorporate this in any project that I decide on, because I am very indecisive sometimes and I just can't decide on one thing. So this paper, and this is an 8x8, so I'm gonna open it up, and to go with the paper I also chose the cardstock, and it comes with 24 sheets. This is a A4 size. Look at this. So here is the cover. So this is made in the UK, as you can see. That's why I chose this one, because I think it's exclusive to their store. So I'm gonna give you a quick flip through, you guys. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. I love these colors. It is so beautiful, you guys. Wow. So many projects that I can think of, but I can only make one. And I have a few projects in mind, like I had said, but I can't decide on one, you guys. So that's that. And it also, because I ordered the bundle, I think it's called the bundle, it comes with, oh no, it's called the kit. So it comes with the die cut toppers. So these are all die cut. You just have to pop them out from here, and it comes with, are they all the same? Oh no, they're different. Okay, so here's the first one. Look how gorgeous that is. These, oh my gosh, you just gotta add this to a card and you're done. This is beautiful. And let's see, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of the same design, and then here is the other one. Okay, yeah, are these the same? Let me just double check. Yes, and then there's this one. I think these would be really awesome fronts to your cards. Make them into embellishments, add them to mini albums. So many things that you can make with this. And this is other stuff that you can also get from the collection. There's the, oh, this is like A4 size. And then this is what I got right here. Oh, and then they also have another one that it looks like a paper pad, but it's nothing but embellishments. So it's this one right there. So I just wanted to share this with you guys before I start on my project, because obviously since I'm going to cut into it and use it up, I wanted to share it with you before. I wanted to share this with you before I cut into the paper. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box for a direct link to Craftstash. They do have a US website and a UK. I'll have both of them in the description box. All right, that is it for today. Hope you all are having an amazing day. Bye, everyone.